hitching the trailer. Summer tires, they're going on. Weather's getting pretty good. Well within the realms of which I would like to see. Wanted to talk to you guys for a few minutes today about the COVID stuff. I have gotten laid off from work. Sales have been horrible. There's been nobody in. There's been nothing to do. We've just been kind of sitting around, to be honest. So I'm not all that upset about it. But I figured while I'm at home, we'll make some videos and we'll get the car kind of prepped and ready to go. I did end up postponing my repairs from March 23rd to April 15th because I was a little worried that we would get laid off, and they are doing layoffs at the dealership I'm getting it fixed at, and it's just a giant mess right now. So I thought I would just postpone it to be a little safe so I can kind of bomb around in my car and get the daily life stuff in. I do find I struggle getting in and out of SUVs. The short doors really kind of plague me, not being able to move the hip. For those that don't know, I'm pretty much like the highest risk for getting this disease, or this cold, this COVID-19. I do have like the most massive amount of lung issues and organ issues and an autoimmune disease, my arthritis since being off and not having the gym to kind of square myself up and straighten everything out has been horrible. I'm pretty much just losing my ability to walk by the day, and I'm doing my best at home to try and stretch it out and work and maneuver and do whatever, but it's tough and I'm really struggling and I'm really not enjoying it, but obviously that is well out of my control. So in the meantime, I'm trying to keep busy and keep positive and keep working on stuff. The YouTube is booming. The subscribers are rolling in. The view count is amazing. Like, everything else is going really, really, really well. So I'm going to get my trailer unhitched and I'm going to take this bad girl out for a rip.